Hi you guys, welcome back. This is Liz Morrow. I'm in my studio. I'm actually outside on this video, and my daughters and I are trying paint pouring. This is the first for us. So we're kind of excited and we're all set. We protected all our surfaces and we're just excited to do it. So we are mixing colors. These are all the colors we're using for some different paint pouring we're going to show. And I used about 1/3 paint, or 30% paint to Floetrol. And I didn't have any silicone. I hadn't ordered any yet. So I actually went into the garage and found a spray bottle of some kind of lubricant that was silicone. So that was kind of cool. So we used that a little bit on some of the paintings. So this is my first one. I am using an old canvas that I didn't finish the painting on. Since we are just trying this out and seeing how it goes, we have no idea what we're doing. So started with white. I'm going to try the Dutch pour. And so all the YouTube videos I've watched, first you start with some puddles of paint. And I used blue and then turquoise and a silver, and then some red, and then I'm going to finish it off with like a celery green. So I'm not using a hairdryer, which a lot of the YouTube videos I've seen use the hairdryer. I'm kind of nervous being my first time, so I'm just going to blow through a straw and see what I can do that way. So the videos show first to cover up the paint with the white. I did a little bit, but I just started blowing the paint. It was kind of cool to see it as I blew it, how the colors mix and change, and yeah, it was really neat. And also you can kind of see the cells already coming through when you do that also. The Floetrol itself, it seems like it helps with the cells. Added a little more paint, give it a little more colors, and just trying to work on my composition of this very first paint pouring I'm doing, or Dutch pour is what this one's called. I was just having so much fun. We really enjoyed this process. So here's the finished product. Look at all the cells. Isn't that so cool? Okay, this is one of my daughters, and she is doing a cup dump. I don't know what it's called. And trying to scrape out paint from there and add. I think she's going for an ocean type look. Yeah, so here we're getting all the paint out of her little cup that she had stacked the paint in. And she used blue, turquoise, and I think a silver. And I think also a dark blue. So here she is spraying some of that lubricant spray onto her painting. And it really worked well. It gave us little tiny cells. Or we can kind of control it. We just did a little tiny bit. She's adding white that she will also use the straw here to blow around and make it look like waves crashing with the foam. We're kind of working together here. She's kind of instructing me where to pour the white paint as she blows it from the other side of the painting. And here is her finished first paint pour. She did a great job. Okay, this is my other daughter, and she's doing the cup flip method too. She used a dark blue, a light blue, a yellow, and white, maybe silver actually. Looks like she started out with some white on her board. This was done on like a masonite board, which I wouldn't recommend because it just, the dampness of the paint soaks into it and it kind of bows a little bit. It took a really long time to dry also. And she loves to add all kinds of fun paint on top of it, so it was fun to watch her create this first one for her. This was really fun. We're excited to do more, and I hope you enjoyed it. And try it yourself. It is so much fun. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. We'll see you next time. Bye.